Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to fix runtime error in Windows 11. So first you need to go to start and type cmd. After you see the command prompt, you need to click on run as administrator, or simply run your command prompt as administrator. So after that you need to type two commands, which is sfc space /scan now. Press enter. So this scan might need some time, so wait until its verification completes up to 100%. So after the scan has been completed, it will show something like this. Now again, you need to enter another code, which is this. Copy it and enter over here. This code is available in the description below. Do check it out. So just like the previous one, this also might take a while. Just wait until it completes its verification till 100%. So after the verification has been completed, you can just close this window and restart. Hopefully these two prompts will fix your problem. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.